Today I'm going to tell you how to make the instant murukku recipe. For this, I've taken some chana dal and I'm going to nicely grind it into a fine powder. Now I'm going to run this through a sieve so that all the hard particles are out and I'm left with some very fine powder. I take this powder separately in a bowl and add 2 cups of rice flour and nicely mix it with some salt and some hing powder. Also add some sesame seeds and a spoon of butter. Mix this thoroughly. Now slowly we start adding water to prepare the batter and keep mixing this thoroughly until you see the batter gets to this shape that you see in the video. Now the batter seems to be ready to be used. The tool that we're going to use for the murukku today is here, and we're going to nicely oil the insides and the outsides. We will add the batter to this tool and nicely make the murukku formations in the oil. You can see that I'm slowly making this and allow it to turn completely in the oil and frying them thoroughly. Once they are fried, we have them placed on a tissue so that the oil is absorbed, and now the murukku is ready to be had.